Hello and welcome to Business Reporter's UK 2030 campaign. I'm Alistair Greener. As consumers are becoming aware of the negative environmental impact of the products they've been buying and increasingly switch to brands that keep the protection of the environment high on their corporate agenda, manufacturers are feeling the pressure to decrease their carbon footprint by not just offering eco-friendly product ranges, but also by making their production processes greener. We've invited three experts from GEA, one of the largest process technology suppliers for the food, beverage and dairy industries, specialising in machinery, plants and components. Good morning.
Good morning.
What role does packaging play in food safety and food quality today?
Packaging for food, its primary function is to protect the food and make sure it's safe to eat. But the main challenges in this sort of area at the moment is making sure that we're reducing the amount of packaging and plastic used, and also that every product that goes out onto the shelf, the millions of products that come out of factories, are all being checked and the quality is maintained.
Tell us about the technology that you at GEA are using.
So the most important thing is making sure that the seal on the package is of a very high integrity, and it's also dictated by the types of materials used. So we have two main pieces of equipment, is the GEA PowerPack and the GEA SmartPacker. And they do two different types of packages, whether it be a rigid pack with a flexible film on the top, typically for sliced cheese, bacon or whatever, or whether it be a fully flexible bag, the types of things that you see fresh salads in, frozen products, nuggets. The technology that's involved in those machines, we have ultrasonic sealing on our SmartPacker, our bagging products, which reduces vastly the amount of plastic required to get that seal, and it also gives a zero reject. So every pack, the seal is guaranteed by this technology, which again reduces the amount of plastic potentially being wasted and food being wasted. From the thermoforming perspective, the GEA PowerPack, we have a particular development there called the PowerPakPLUS. The focus around that has been making sure the machine's extremely easy to set up and very flexible in terms of the materials that it can deal with. So you can use very much thinner films, and also there's less waste during the setup process because it's so easy to use. We have an innovation in terms of the packaging, so we have the GEA flat skin and the GEA food tray, and what this does, it combines cardboard with thin plastic films and can reduce the plastic usage in the packaging by 70% or more. So a very important thing in the current climate.
Well, that's the key, isn't it? Yeah. You know, we're trying to meet customer expectations here, but maintaining the quality and maintaining the safety.
Yep.
So give us a bit more information about what food manufacturers can do to achieve that balance.
Yeah. So as we said, the main two challenges are reducing plastic and making sure that the food is safe to eat. So there's a GEA innovation called GEA OxyCheck, and what that enables, we can integrate that into our thermoforming equipment, and we will be able to integrate it in other equipment in the future. What that enables is that it checks every single 100% of the packs without damaging the packs. So there's no product waste and there's no film waste. So the consumers who are taking the food off the shelf, if it's gone through that process, can be very confident that it's fully sealed and good quality food to eat.
Well, it's really interesting to see how technology is playing a part in getting this balance between what the consumers are expecting and the safety and the quality. So it's great finding out more. Greg Austin from GEA, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.